This is my last video in this space. Exciting. What's up, y'all? It's your Chana Irie, aka Pineapple Styles, and I'm back with another video. So this is a slightly special one because this is my last video in this space. Exciting. So I figured I'd film a little just because since it's the last service in here, I might as well, you know, do a little video in here. Y'all might see this months after the fact, but it's the thought that counts, okay? So for my last service, I'm going to be doing basically what I started out doing, braiding. My client is a returning client. I colored her hair yesterday, and so we're going to braid it today, and then I got to start the cleanup. But there's so much other stuff going on. Let's just say there's a huge career life shift happening over here, and I'm excited for it. I hope y'all will be excited to see it as it goes on too, but for now, this is all you're seeing. So let's see what colors the hair is gonna be. So this is what we're working with. Half platinum, half purple, but something a little more special. So yeah, I'm excited. Y'all should be excited. Let's get into this. Because I blow dried her hair the night before, I plaited it away so that way it would stay stretched while she slept. This is what her hair looks like once I took those braids out. Now, before I could start parting for the style, I needed to clean up the sections because the little short hairs, they just get in the way, they get mixed up. And if you braid with the different colored sections of hair touching, it can actually cause the color to bleed from the dark section to the light section. That happened with my client that had the pink and blonde hair. Click the link at the top, by the way, if you want to see that video as well, because that was also a fire color. But yeah, you want to make sure that you keep those sections separate. Now that the sections have been cleaned up, I'm going to go in and pre-part the rows for her braids. She has really dense hair and doesn't want to sit too long, so we're doing medium knotless braids on one side, and the idea is we're going to do a faux shave side with cornrows. I'm going to do a pretty simple design because the color speaks for itself, duh, but she still wants the cornrows to have a little something going on. So yeah, watch me pre-part these rows and then we'll get to braiding. Now, if you notice, with each of these pre-parted sections, I'm not putting any gel on them yet. That's because the first ingredient in the gel that I use, the braiding gel, is water, which is what makes it such a great gel, by the way. But yeah, I don't want her hair to revert too fast while I'm braiding the other rows. So basically what I do is I pre-part, don't put any gel, and then once I get to each row to clean it up and perfect it, that's when I put the gel and just clean up the section. As you can tell, I've only pre-parted the right side, and that's because this is the side that's going to be all knotless braids. So we're using 613 for this blonde section, and yeah, you can tell we're doing them pretty long, so let's braid.
In the city, remember you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot.
So this is what her hair is looking like after I finished the blonde section, and we're at the top of this purple section. It actually didn't take too long. I was surprised at how fast it went. And as you can see, them braids are clean. So let's finish braiding the purple knotless side.
You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things.
Part of why my braids are so neat is that I actually tuck the hair. I've been doing this for a while now, so that's just how I braid, but normally tucking the hair takes longer, so you do have to move a little slower, especially if the person has thicker hair, because you want to make sure the braiding hair is completely covering their natural hair. So basically when you braid, you're braiding their natural hair on the back side of the braid.
I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Baby, baby, what you doing with your mom? I can tell your friends you be the one that you like to go slow, you go faster. Let me the passion. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slouched in bed.
And right here is where I encountered a knot. I don't know about you, but I hate when I'm braiding and then the end decides to tangle up. It's like, bruh, really slowing me down. So I'm here trying to pull out this knot and then get back to the braid. All right, so the knotless are done and we are doing these cornrows. As you can see, like I said, it's gonna be simple because the color speaks for itself. So watch me cornrow her hair.
Sometimes you love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. No, I won't want you if you need me. Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion, no. Cool down, someone. Cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner. Cool down, love. Cool now, someone. Cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner. Cool down, love. Cool now, someone. Cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner. Cool down, love. Sometimes I want you close. Sometimes I want my space. Just know I'm gonna call if I need you. It's not my job to please you. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. Think I got a place for your passion. Oh, cool down, simmer. Cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner. Cool down, love. Cool now, simmer. Cool Cool now, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. So cool now, simmer, simmer.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you moving really got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot you know you're dealing with. Man, I real quick when I'm at work non-stop. You look good, no dinner when I come back. Something wrong with you, come out from that. If you walk and give you, I'm not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. Sip my braid, if I give you my heart, and you hold on. So cool down, simmer, simmer. Cool down, simmer. Cool now, please me. Cool now, simmer. Cool down, love. Cool now, simmer. Cool now, please me. Cool now, simmer, simmer. Cool down, simmer. Cool now, please me. Cool now, simmer. Cool down, love. Cool now, simmer. Cool now. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love.
This is the final result. Hair braided up, swirled up, and you see each colored section is separate, so each of those braids just look nice and crisp. Make sure you like this video and drop a comment if you ever try a style like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.